Assalamualaikum and good day to Dr. Ain. Welcome to our presentation on Malaysia Airlines and its commitment to service quality criteria, to be short form we call as SURFQUAL. Malaysia Airlines, the flag carrier airline of Malaysia, has long been recognized for its dedication to delivering exceptional service to its customers. Today, we will explore how Malaysia Airlines has utilized the SURFQUAL model to measure and enhance its service quality. The SURFQUAL framework developed by Dr. Parasuraman, Zetam, and Barry provides a comprehensive approach to assessing service quality. Let's delve into the 5 dimensions of SurfQual and how Malaysia Airlines applies them.
Hello, my name is Kumar Haran. My matrix number is 211240287. Let's begin with the first dimension of secure, which is reliability. Reliability is a crucial aspect for any airline, and Malaysian Airlines understand its significance. They strive to provide flight and service as scheduled, ensuring that passengers can rely on their flight, departing and arriving on time. Malaysia Airlines works this diligently to minimize delay and cancellation. Moreover, they provide accurate and timely information regarding flight status updates and changes, and keeping passengers informed. Efficient baggage handling is also prioritized to ensure the passengers' belongings are handled securely and delivered promptly. By focusing on maintaining operational efficiency and delivering dependable service, Malaysia Airlines aims to install confidence and trust in their customers. Thank you.
The second dimension of SurfQual is responsiveness. Responsiveness is key to addressing customer needs and inquiries promptly and effectively. Malaysia Airlines places a strong emphasis on this dimension. They have well-trained staff at various touchpoints, including ticketing counters, check-in desks, boarding gates, and onboard the aircraft. These personnel possess the necessary skills and knowledge to handle customer inquiries, provide assistance, and resolve issues efficiently. Malaysia Airlines aims to offer quick and helpful responses to customer inquiries, complaints, or requests, ensuring that passengers feel heard and their needs are addressed promptly.
The third dimension of ServeQual is assurance. Assurance play a vital role in building trust and confidence in customer. Malaysia Airlines achieve this by demonstrating the competence, knowledge, and professionalism of their staff. They invest in comprehensive training and development programs to ensure that their cabin crew and ground staff possess the necessary skill to provide exceptional service. Malaysia Airlines staff members are trained to provide accurate information, deliver high level of safety and security, and also display courteous and helpful behavior towards passenger. By emphasizing professionalism and instilling a sense of assurance in their customer, Malaysia Airlines aim to create a positive and trustworthy service experience.
The fourth dimension of SurveyQuil is empathy. Empathy is a critical dimension that focuses on understanding and addressing individual customer needs and preference. Malaysia Airlines aims to provide personalized service that cater to specific requirements. For example, they offer special assistance for passengers with disabilities or mobility issues, ensuring a smooth and comfortable travel experience. Malaysia Airlines also accommodate passengers with specific dietary restrictions by offering suitable meal options. By tailoring their services to individual customer needs, Malaysia Airlines strive to make passengers feel valued and cared for, enhancing the overall customer experience. The final dimension of SurfQual are tangibles. Malaysia Airlines places great emphasis on the physical aspect of their service. They ensure that their aircraft are well maintained, clean, and comfortable for passengers. The condition of the facilities, including check-in counters, lounges, and boarding areas, is carefully attended to creating a positive first impression. The appearance and grooming of their staff are also important as they contribute to the overall perception of service quality. Malaysia Airlines aims to exceed customer expectations by providing comfortable seating, engaging in flight entertainment, and other tangible elements that meet or surpass customer needs.
In conclusion, Malaysia Airlines has embraced the ServeQual model to enhance its service quality and deliver exceptional experiences to its customers. By focusing on tangibles, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy, Malaysia Airlines set itself apart as a provider of exceptional service in the airline industry. Thank you for watching our presentations on Malaysia Airlines' commitment to service quality using the ServeQual framework. We hope you gain valuable insight into how Malaysia Airlines strive to deliver an outstanding customer experiences.